let's talk about one of the top foods for naturally getting rid of endometriosis. See, with endometriosis, it affects the uterine lining in multiple ways. So it makes it progesterone resistant, meaning that it doesn't properly take to progesterone. Endometriosis causes the body to attack healthy cells, so that's why your immune system needs to be boosted. Endometriosis blocks the oxygenation and the blood circulation to the uterus, which makes it hard for the womb to absorb nutrients. It also brings inflammation to the uterine lining, so it causes a lot of redness, a lot of swelling, and due to the inflammation, it makes it hard for an embryo to implant on the uterine lining because over time it decreases the quality of the endometrium. Also, due to the inflammation, it causes scarring, and endometriosis causes excessive and abnormal thickening on the uterine lining, and also in other places, even outside of the womb, on the fallopian tube, so it can cause blocked tubes as well. It causes the imbalance between estrogen and progesterone is needed for the uterine lining to shed during menstruation. And so if the uterine lining isn't shedding during menstruation, then it's causing irregular periods. Also, it's causing painful periods, prolonged periods, and heavier cycles. So the food that I am talking about is papaya, which helps manage and naturally get rid of endometriosis in multiple ways. So number one is papaya contains an enzyme called papain, and papain aids in cleansing and softening the uterine lining, which makes it healthier. Secondly, papaya contains beta carotene as well as lycopene, which has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's going to help get rid of that swelling as well as that redness so that the embryo can implant on the uterine lining. Another thing is papaya is high in vitamin C, and so it's going to help boost your immune system, and it's going to help protect your cells as well as protecting the cells from oxidative stress, and it's going to aid in repairing damaged tissues. Also, since papaya helps to boost the immune system, it's going to enhance and encourage blood flow and blood circulation to the pelvic region, right? And it's going to help the womb absorb those nutrients that could have been blocked by all the unnecessary unwanted bacteria and mucus and things like that has been blocking the nutrients from being absorbed in the womb, as well as the blood is what transport oxygen and nutrients and vital minerals as well. Papaya is also rich in fiber, so it's going to restore your gut health, and it's going to help balance your hormones because endometriosis causes hormonal imbalance due to the increased levels of estrogen and synthetic estrogen from the things that you're putting in your mouth every day, the products that you're using every day, the environment that you're in. All of those things contribute to why you have high levels of estrogen in the body. And so papaya is one of the top foods that will help with endometriosis. We have a tea called the End of Endometriosis, which helps to target endometriosis. It's going to help manage the symptoms and get to the root problem, right? So we're not just masking the symptoms. We also have the End of Endometriosis Care Package, which is an overall full body detox, and it contains multiple teas as well as a moisturizer or a body butter for womb for reproductive disorders. Make sure you tap into our caption for more information, and I'll see y'all on the next video.